The only time I was frightened, like thousands of others, was during the air raids, you know, because you could hear the German bombers overhead, and the house was shaking, and they knew, knew that the bombs were landing not too far away, so you could be killed at any moment. We were fortunate up in the northeast like that. We weren't bombed as heavily as, say, London or Southampton, places like that, but we had our share, because the bombs fell on the River Tyne, where all the shipping was, and also in the domestic area, residential areas. There were air raid shelters, and they used to build a lot of the air raid shelters in the streets behind the houses, which you could go to, but my father chose to stop in the house, and we were underneath the staircase, which affords some protection, but fortunately none of us were hurt, and the house was undamaged, but they weren't too far away, I tell you. I was at St James's Park one Saturday afternoon, obviously watching Newcastle, and it came over the tannoy system that an air raid was in progress, and any spectators who wanted to leave, they're free to do so. But I stopped on, and the match went on. But the air raid was on the Tyne itself, because there was a huge shipbuilding area, munitions area, dry dock facilities for damaged ships, and but the match just went on. that was it.